Hi friends, welcome to TechieMit. Today in this video we will see the use of break and continue keywords and what its purpose for. So basically break is meant to terminate the flow of program. Suppose an case encounters where we need to use break. So break what will does just by invoking break it will directly terminate the flow of program, and below that none single line of code of execution will be done after that. So basically break is used to terminate the flow of program, and continue is used to continue the flow of program, means it continues the loop or in which it is present over there. So let's see one by one. So what I've done, I've just taken a simple program in which I'm printing the value of 10 numbers from 0 to 10. It starts from 0 and up to 10. According to increment order, increasing order, I'm printing them one by one with a statement. So what I've done is just put an if condition over there. I test the value of I while executing, but by using for loop. When it's encounter 5, I put a break over there and printed the output. We'll see first by the use of break and after the use of continue. So let's see the output of the program. Yeah. So as you can see in front of your screen, the output is printed with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sequentially it goes from 0 to 4. So what does break do? When it encounters 5, it just terminates the flow of program. None other line of code of execution with 6 to 10 is printed, as you can see in front of the screen. So that was our break. Now you will see continue. Let's see what happens when we give continue as a reserve keyword in the program, and we'll see the same program how does it behave differently other than break. Yeah. So as the name goes, continue is to used to continue the flow of program because it doesn't terminate the flow, and so it prints all the value of the variable starting from 0 up to 10. So that was all about continue and break in Java with a simple program. I'm demonstrated their purposes. So to keep liking, subscribing, #TechieMit, more videos to come on for core Java basics. Bye for now.